Look, it's right there. Oh my God, it fly over there. Din alam yun, ang gobyerno, no? Sabihin nila, oh, totoo ba tong minukbang mo to at nilagay mo sa YouTube mo?
She's relatively happy. She does what she wants. She gets away with almost everything. She gets lots and lots of love.
Yes, she does.
Good morning, Philippines!
Alam niyo ba kung ano ng oras? Good afternoon! I think it's 3 o'clock already. Or almost 4. I think 3:30. Hello sa inyo. Late akong nag-vlog. Yun, si Roxy. Pasensya na guys kung meron kayong nakikitang mga pinky-pinky doon. Color yan sa bra ko. Andito lang naman ako sa bahay. Hindi sana ako magbabra guys. Pero alam na. Itong sinuot ko kasi sobrang nipis. So, yun. Makikita yung nipple alerts natin. Yun. But anyway, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. And yeah, late na talaga guys. Uy, late na. Bahala na si Batman. Supposedly, punta ako sa grocery para sa dinner mamaya and then dinner bukas. Kasi andito yung asawa ko. Papunta na si Tami dito. And Dada is coming. Yeah, Dada is coming. Yeah. Oh my God. Lordy. Behave. Uy, I see Dada is coming. Don't act like that. Okay? When Dada come, don't act like that. Oh my God. I know Dada's coming. He will be here. Oh my gosh. Aray. Agay, ginoo ko rocks. And Tommy will be happy. Remember guys, Tommy put something outside the bird feeder. And then, naglagay din si Tommy ng hummingbird feeder also sa labas. Akala ko walang hummingbird. Merong hummingbird dito, pero hindi ko siya nakikita palagi. So, sabi ko, wala na tayong mga hummingbird dito. Ba't maggastos-gastos ka pa? So, ngayon, nakikita ako ng hummingbird. I-insert ko dito yung video clip.
Slipping by.
Dimples. Dimple alert. Dimples.
Why do I get myself? Why do I get myself?
Mama needs to go. Bye-bye. Because Dada is coming. Dada will be here soon.
These lonely nights.
So, yeah. So, yun lang siya, guys. And, very quick lang siya. I will show it to Tommy and Tommy will be happy. Maraming bird, guys. As in, ang dami-dami, guys. Never, ilagay ko rin dito yung video, guys. Kasi, para makikita nyo. Kasi, every time I look, ando na yung mga cute na maliit na langgam or ibon. Sinabi kong langgam. Ibon.
When you get the cameras on? Oh, yeah.
No,
I don't get hello until the cameras on. I got stuff. You got a knife or a fork or something? A knife or a scissors? Knife. Please, there you go. Yeah, right there.
Huh? Right here. Scissor? What is that? Ay, nako, Han. You know what, Han?
You gotta put an empty water bottle inside them when they break it.
Yeah, but they don't like that noise. They run away from that noise. I know my kids.
They do.
Yeah, they don't like that noise.
Where you at, Rox?
Hiding.
Come here, monkey.
And can you get the bottle over there, Han? I forget to bring it. Dito tayo sa basement. Ilagay ko lang ito dito. Ilagay ko lang to dito, guys, ha. Dimples is the one get interested.
Yeah.
Ay, Dimples. That's not even the squirrel. That's the kind of animals that will make a bridge.
Oh, there was no milk, huh?
Oh, forgot. No milk. Where is your drink, hon? Labas. Somebody texted me. Hi, Ging. Okay, hold on.
At least you got tired of this, look, it's been sitting here for like a month.
Yeah, because I thought you buy that new one, hon. You buy that. The birdhouse is
Oh, it's right there.
Oh my God,
Oh, there's a little bird sitting on top of it.
there is a lot of that today. Like, and they won't leave that alone.
Well,
And-
once they know it's there, huh?
Yeah.
I can see it's half empty already.
Yeah. I want to show you something. Come here, look. Han, look.
I'm trying to see if it's...
Look, hold on.
Oh, there's a hummingbird.
Look.
It just takes time for them to realize it's there, and then they come.
Yeah, it's been coming back and forth. She's cheeking, hun.
Can I make a zoom?
Huh? Yeah.
That's hummingbird. That's why you get the little teeny tiny holes for it to drink out of. No other animal can take it.
Look, it's right there. Oh my God, it fly over there. That's the one. It went back. I said I have to take a video because I saw him coming back and forth. I said I want to show Tommy. The
I
bird
told you they
over
were here when we first came here.
there. And I took
I saw a
videos.
little bird sitting on top of a branch, right on top of a bird feeder.
That bird feeder is surrounded with a small bird, and then I
That's what I
filmed.
wanted for the small birds.
I filmed it. Small.
They're incredible, aren't they? To watch them like for
Yeah,
real.
I saw that.
They just like sit there like this.
Sit there and shaking.
But they can stand still in midair.
Yeah. It's very windy, guys. Asking, guys. We're just gonna have salad for dinner and chicken or steak. Right? Like kind of bird. Different kind of birds. Now they're coming back. They're babies, though. I mean, they're not babies. They're just a kind of bird that size.
Just look.
There's a lot of nectar here. She's happy. Okay, it's not gonna fit. Is it going to fit? Yeah, right. You're squeezing everything. Hun. Look at that, hun.
Oh, it's salad, like a little tap. You got it.
Sobrang ganda. Right hand, your steak is so good looking. Your steak. You enjoy your steak this time, huh?
I enjoy steak also.
But you do like
You know
it.
what I mean? I enjoy hot dogs too, so you can't go by that.
Yeah, but the steak like that, the one that you just eat,
Yeah.
so nice.
Because it was nice and cooked right, not
And then
not
it's
overcooked. When it's overcooked,
it's so juicy
it's like
too.
it'd be a little burnt on the outside,
Yeah.
undercooked on the inside.
It's juicy.
I was not ready to falling like I'm wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing. Keep your words.
9:06 na. Oh my God. Matutulog na kami. Hey, what are you doing in my filming room? In my filming room. Come here. Come out here. Come out. I love you. You love me. We love each other. Clang, clang, clang. Roxy, clang, clang, clang. Rox, clang, clang, clang. We love each other. Clang, clang, clang. Clang, 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 clang. I love you. I love you. Tinanggal ko yung bra ko, guys. So, Ginoo ko, Lord. Ginoo ko, Lord. Ang huot-huot ng kalibutan, guys. Tinanggal ko yung bra ko sa likuran kasi ang huot-huot, Lord. Sabi ko, Diyos ko, Lord. Ang huot-huot, napipiot. Napipiot yung ano ko, tutots. Yung tutots ko, napiot. Napipit ko, napiot. Napiot, napiot. Maglilista pa dapat ako ng tax. Yung tax para next year. Kasi gusto ko recorded. For example, kung bumibili ako ng mga gamit o pang mukbang, nire-record ko siya. Inano ko yung receipt and then iano ko sa record. Ililista ko kung kailan yung mukbang na video na yun naka-up. Kasi for sure, kasi hindi natin alam yun. Ang gobyerno, no? Sabihin nila, oh, totoo ba tong minukbang mo to at nilagay mo sa YouTube mo? Gusto ko to, guys. As in, matagal na ito, guys. Ano lang ito, guys? $5. 5 pesos sa Pilipinas. Okay, okay, guys. Uy, si Dada. Where's... Wait.
What do you think of it?
Turn the light on here.
I'm giving bug rides.
Hmm?
I'm giving bug rides.
Bug? Ay, naku. Get down, little man.
He said, no, I like it here.
Her body right up on the air.
Yeah.
Hon, what's it? Look, your cigarette is always a helpful for his...
Yeah, you like it. Yeah, keep balance.
Look, tignan niyo si Roxy yan. Look at Roxy on the
I know,
stairs.
she's already upstairs.
It's so cute, look. What are you doing up there? Get down. We are not going up yet. Down here. Hi, little man. Come down here. Come here. Do you want 3Ds? Come down. 3Ds.
Where are you going? Oh, geez.
Hon, what are you doing? Oh my god. What the heck?
You crazy little man.
Then she says, okay, I'll go and look for my bed.
Yeah. Please go to see tomorrow.
What time do you think you'll be leaving?
Well, they gotta be at the vet before 10, so. That's why I said, if we're not here, that's where we are.
So then we're gonna be late as far as dialysis.
There's no dialysis on it, too.
Hmm?
That's dialysis today, there's no dialysis tomorrow.
Oh, that's right. I'm thinking it's Tuesday.
Keep thinking that.
I'm all screwed up.
What? I'm not leaving you down here. You don't have to worry anymore. You're upstairs already now. She can still worried, hon.
I know,
She have that, you know, like freak out thing.
I know. Ross, chill out. Nobody's leaving out here.
Roxy, we're not leaving you. You know your bed upstairs already. We cannot undo. Look, hon. See, hon. Roxy, come.
Crazy kids.
That's the best girl in the world. We love you. We're not leaving you down here. We love you. Why are you so worried? Why are you so worried, huh? Why? I'm sleeping with you now. We slept last night.
Yeah.
So she kind of like, so she jumped and she kind of doesn't like I keep moving too much. So she jumped, so I grabbed her from downstairs. I said, come here, carry. I carry her. And so her head, I sleep like this, right? Her head is right here, me, and her paw is right here. And then we just sleep. I don't move. I don't want her to leave me. So we kind of sleep like face to face.
The heartworm too, that's real important. Because a little mosquito bite could kill them.
Really? Even mosquito bite?
Heartworm comes from mosquitoes.
Really?
And they get a worm in their heart.
Oh shit. Mosquito can do it?
Yeah. That's what the pill is for, huh? The heartworm pill, not the tick pill.
I know, but mosquito bites can do heartworm.
Yes. With dogs and cats. Not people.
I can't imagine guys losing them. I know, thinking about it is like hard. How much more it have. Plus, you know, yung life nila is very short. It's like 15 years. That's really sucks. Some don't survive, right? Longer than that.
17 is about average.
Oh my god. No, don't. Like 17. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna lose my roxicles. Oh, look at that face on it.
17 years is 100 and something for a dog.
Oh my lord. I can't imagine.
1 year is 7
and,
years.
You know, she's my happiness. And,
Yeah.
you know, can you imagine I lost her? What the fuck?
That's the problem with pets. It's very heartbreaking.
Look at that face. Who doesn't want to get in love with a dog? Look at that.
So you make them happy, your whole life is happy.
Yeah. Especially her, she just makes me happy. And she really is.
She's pretty happy when she looks sad. A lot of times she's relatively happy. She does what she wants. She gets away with almost everything. She gets lots and lots of love.
Yes, she does.
She
And
don't have nobody to play with because I'm too old, so it's like, you know, it sucks for her because she wants somebody to run around the yard with.
I do sometimes. Not all the time now.
You know, you figured Misty would be her playmate, but it didn't work out that
Misty
way.
just keep running around on the porch and that's
Misty
all.
don't want to play.
And Hubs is first time is male cat. Like first ever. She Tammy doesn't like she Tammy like female. And Hubs is the sweetest. He is the sweetest cat in the world. Baby boy.
Yeah, but he's more attached to you than me.
But he is everything to us, huh? He's so loving. He show you the way he loves you is different.
I know.
He's like, are you kidding me? Dada! Dada! like, climb here, climb here. Oh my god. Okay guys, we're going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much
We don't
for
have any
watching.
cold waters in the refrigerator, right?
Baby boy. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Babalik kami bukas. Oh no. Well, actually guys, I've been saying this guys na I will see you tomorrow. Pero guys, no, hindi na tomorrow guys. Every other day. So, I will see you guys the next day. Kasi hindi na ako nag-upload ng vlog pala. Anyway, bye. Good night guys. Good night. Maaga pa kami bukas. Makikita nyo yan the next day. Okay, maaga kami bukas. Last injection ng aso bukas.